Hello students, I, Debachana Roy, an English teacher of your school, is here to introduce you with the new digital system of our school, that is the portal system of Vijayvi. Here I really want to introduce with the beautiful portal page of all the subjects, but here we are going to start with English, that is of class 7th today. This is going to be very convenient for all the students to move ahead without any stoppage and without any break of studies, which is really going to help us a lot. Today, I am going to first tell you about the first lesson of class 7th. Name of the lesson is A Hero. It's written by R.K. Narayan. Children, you know R.K. Narayan was very much fond of these type of stories which always give some moral values, where we are going to see this story is actually based on a boy who stays in Malgudi, and he's been totally taken care by his family members, his mother, his grandparents, his other family members of the family, and he was very much pampered kind of a child. But his father doesn't want that. He wants to make him an individual person to stand alone in his own life with his own individuality, so that he can face all the problems in his life without any problem. So he wanted to train him, he wanted to make him established. But how was Swami actually? Swami was very lazy. He doesn't want to study at all. He doesn't want to go to school. He only wants to sleep, eat, enjoy, listen to the story, play with the friends. This was the main motive of Swami. But again his father was there to push him ahead in his life, that he wants to tell him again and again, child, work hard, stand on your feet, and you will really reach to your success and become a courageous person in life. For this, there was a very small instance we will see ahead, but I am just summing it up, that he was sleeping in his dad's office one day. A thief came, he woke up, he saved everything, he fought against that thief, and he saw that everything was okay. This I'm just telling you in a very, very short way, so that the suspense should remain ahead in the whole journey of this new lesson. Fine. Now he fought and he became a very nice, courageous person just because of this deed, which lesson was actually been given by his father. He learned, he became an individual, and the moral what we are getting, we all should become an individual person without taking anybody's help, and take care of everyone too. So this portal system, I am here to once again tell you all that I welcome you all once again. We will have a beautiful journey ahead in this VJV portal system, where we will be seeing a lot many things ahead. So everything is there in this page. You will be getting all notes, worksheets, quiz. You will enjoy a lot, children. So let's move ahead, and thank you once again.